Hey guys, welcome to Food Treasure. Today we're going to make sticky sesame chicken. Let's begin with the ingredients. So in the ingredients we have 800 grams of diced chicken, which is skinless, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, we got 1 big spoon of soy sauce, 1 whole egg, we got 1 cup of plain flour, we got 3 cloves of grated garlic, we got 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of red chili. For the garnish we have some sliced shallots, we got white sesame, which is 2 spoons, 100 ml of chicken stock, we got some honey, we got sesame oil, salt and pepper. First we're starting with the chicken. So basically we're making the batter, which is quite simple. We got the chicken here, we're gonna add some salt in it, got our soy sauce, cracking the egg on it, cornstarch, flour. First I'm going to mix through it, just a bit of water, just making sure we're not gonna make really thin batter and not even thick, so it has to be medium. A little bit water. So basically we are making a batter, some sesame oil, our chicken is ready for the deep fryer. So we got some oil for the deep fryer and it's already hot. Just going to put the chicken slowly. If we put together it will stick, just to avoid the sticking together. So we drop it like pretty much one by one, and we're making sure like not put a lot of chicken so it'll be overcrowded, and cook it until golden brown. As you can see, our chicken got like nice golden brown color. So we're just gonna take it out and leave it on the side on top of the paper towel, and we'll be repeating the process until we finish the chicken. So I've completed like cooking the chicken, so I'll set it on the side, and I got my pan on heat for the sauce. I'll start with a 2 spoons of vegetable oil. So once the pan hot enough, got my garlic in it. Just going to saute the garlic for a while. Just going to turn our heat to low, and now we need to put the chili. I'll just turn off the heat for a bit. Going to add our chicken stock. Put our heat back. So we are going to add a touch of sesame oil. And we got like 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. So this time we're using this cornstarch as a thickener. Just adding a little bit of water. Just mix some oil. So once the cornstarch dissolves in the water, so we're going to add into it. Now we're gonna add our chicken into it. So we got our honey, teaspoon of honey. To add into it. So we got our vinegar. Just add into the chicken. Salt and pepper to taste. You get our sesame seeds. So we're using it as a garnish. So sticky chicken is ready to serve. So beautiful chicken, sticky chicken is ready to serve. Just got some more sesame seeds for the garnish, and our chopped shallots.